Ladies and gentlemen, it's Trevor and Woodruff. I'm back with another video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Today we're talking about how to build business credit with bad credit. Stay tuned. Hey, it's Trevor Woodruff and I'm back with another video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button. Today we're talking about building business credit with bad credit, all right? Now, the first thing you want to get is an LLC. You do not want to be a sole proprietor. You want to get you an LLC. My recommendation for forming your LLC is Prime Corporate Services. Do not use LegalZoom, all right? But the first thing you need is an LLC. All right, next you need a business address. And if you go through Prime Corporate Services, they're gonna set you up with one. But if you don't wanna use them, you can use anybody to set up your business address. Just Google business virtual address and make sure whatever company you go with, the address that they give you, type it into Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever and make sure it's an actual building, okay? All right, so next you want to set up a business email address. Your business email address should not say at Gmail, at Yahoo, or at AOL. It should say at yourbusinessname.com, okay? And you could do this through Google Workspaces, okay? So for example, my business is Sophisticated Capital. So my business email address is Trevor at sophisticatedcapital.com. Now, next you want to get you a business phone number, okay? And preferably a toll-free business phone number. You could Google this. You could use Open Phone. You could use onesuite.com. And also, you also want to put your cell phone under your business, okay? So, and you could do this through AT&T and Verizon. Those are the best services for that, in my opinion. I don't know if the other services provide that, but I know AT&T and Verizon, they'll actually report to the business credit bureaus, okay? So remember, get you a business cell phone number or a business phone number. Now, once you have that business phone number, you want to list your business at, on 411, okay? This is where all the business lenders, the business banks, they're going to see if you're listed to make sure that you're a legitimate business, okay? So remember, 411 listing. Now, you could do this at listyourself.com. It's either .com or .net, I can't remember, but you'll get it. All right, now, after this, you want to establish your DUNS number. Now, when you go to dnb.com, they're going to offer you a bunch of stuff. The only thing you want is a DUNS number, and the DUNS number is free. If you call them and you speak to a sales representative, they're going to sell you a bunch of stuff. You only want a DUNS number, and a DUNS number is free, okay? And remember, it's free. All right, now, once you have all of this done, now what you want to do is you want to set up a business bank account. Take all of your articles of organization and all the paperwork that you got when you formed your business to the bank, okay? Now, in my opinion, Chase is the best business bank, okay? But there are some other banks that report to the Business Credit Bureau. Not all banks report to the Business Credit Bureau, okay? Now, the ones that do is Chase, you have Bank of America, you have American Express, you have U.S. Bank, you have, dang, I can't remember the last two. But there are 6 banks that actually report to the Business Credit Bureau, and I'll put them in the description below, okay? All right, now, just to throw you a bone to set up that business credit, that business credit, you want to set you up a NAV account. Now, NAV is like the Credit Karma or the, basically it's your credit report. It's how you see your business credit report, okay? And they give you a business trade line if you set up a NAV boost account. So remember, go to NAV and set up a NAV boost account, okay? And this is how you're gonna see your business credit report, all right? And they also report to the business they also report to business creditors, so you can see them. So they provide you with the trade line, basically, all right? All right, let's go back over this. So, in order to build business credit, first you need an LLC. I recommend you set it up with Prime Corporate Services. Then you need a business address. Prime Corporate Service can provide you with that. If you don't want them, then use a virtual business address. Do not use your home address, okay? Then after that, you want to set up a business email address. Remember, your business email address should not say at Google or at Yahoo or at AOL. It should say at whatever your business is called, okay? .com. So, for example, my name is Trevor at sophisticatedcapital.com. All right, now, and you want to set this up through Google Workspaces. Then after that, you need a business phone number, all right? Once you have that business phone number, you want to list it on the 411, and you do this at listyourself.com. Then after that, you want a DUNS number. Remember, the DUNS number is free. They're going to try to sell you a lot of stuff, but no, you want a DUNS number, and the DUNS number is free. Then after that, you want to finally go ahead and set up your business bank account. Remember, in my opinion, Chase is the best, but there's some other ones you can use. Then you want to set up a NAV account for your first trade line. You want to get you a NAV boost account, all right? And this is how you build business credit with bad credit. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also add me on Instagram at Trevor M. Woodruff. Y'all have a good one.